Hey guys, how's it going? I just got back from a long job. I got there at 9 a.m., ended at 3. Just power washed some concrete. Something out of the norm, but hey, we got done, looks fresh. Now we actually have to pressure wash the concrete at our house. But luckily it's just like the top half of the driveway, so it's just like right there, and then all the crevices all the way down. So that should take a while. I don't know when I'm gonna do that exactly. But yeah, it's officially back to being crappy weather in the Pacific Northwest, so that's awesome. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing today, but we'll figure it out. So see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, it is raining like crazy. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this concrete all pressure washed. See you guys. Okay guys, we got all the grout of it done. So all of this, it's not focusing. Okay, all this is done. Got all of the lines completely emptied. All the cracks are all looking brand new and fresh. Now tomorrow we just have to go all the way down. Get all the lines and the concrete blown out. We got to do the sidewalk. We got to do our back patio. So I think we have like 2.5 hours more work, maybe 3 hours. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pick all our crap up. Hey guys, how's it going? It is currently the next day. Look at the BMW looking all fine. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we got all this top done. All the cracks are blown out. Just way cleaner. Now we have to go all the way down. Luckily we just have to do the cracks. So it should take like, sorry if it's windy and it's like crackling. Sorry about that you guys, but it should only take like an hour, hour and a half. It's gonna start raining here soon, so I'm gonna try and get it done quick so I can hop on the crazy cart and shred it on fresh concrete that doesn't have crap all over it like rocks. So yeah, stay tuned. Sorry if this is boring for you guys. It'll all be in time lapse, so it'll be super fast. It won't be all of the video. But yeah, see you guys in a minute. Peace. Okay guys, so I got the tubes in for the new tube tire since I popped the old tire, but still no tire. So I think that shows up Wednesday or something. But you guys, this is the kind of person my dad is. Pays me to clean the entire driveway literally an hour after I get done cleaning it. Man drives through the yard up onto it. Like, bro, it kind of hurts. It honestly kind of hurts because I spent a lot of time cleaning this shit. Oh, excuse me, didn't say that. YouTube, that wasn't me. But yeah, I spent all this time cleaning it just for it to get dirty. I like tractor though. Mr. Amakobi making it shine. Woo! Okay, you guys, but yeah, that's about all I have to say about that. Anyways, let's get back to what we were doing. I think I'm gonna go eat that Rice Krispie treat I got at the gas station. Look at these animals. What are they doing? You know what they're doing? They're going onto the concrete to go poop on it, because that's what they do. They go out there, I just get done freshly cleaning all this concrete, and they go out there and they crap on it. Because that's how animals think, just to crap on you. So, yeah, anyways, I don't know what I'm saying, but we're gonna go eat some good food, and honestly, I think that's gonna end today's video. I did a lot. This went over the span of 2 days. I'm kind of behind, not gonna lie. Still gotta film tomorrow's video, so yeah. Sweet. Please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.